get appropriate answer until he or she is satisfied.
Thutha wa muhithaniro na kamiti ya hamwe ya bunge rirarombwe na uthuthuria wa cukari uri na kiriga, Minista wa ugitiri wa thi-ini Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni akinyirie mbere ya kamiti ino umituthwo ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ino Karaja Kibisho na inspector munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet.
Chair, I want to agree with you that this
na kana cukari uria wena ni turanywa ni uri na makure ni undu ugwetirwo na njira nene. Kiuria giki gicokio ni Matiang'i akiuga we amukira roboti kuma kuri CID na he bata angiamenyithirie muingi wimenyerere.
The CID, out of the work that had been done, gave us a summative report that talks about some of the heavy metals and some of the harmful chemicals found in these goods. They said, let us give a caution to the country and caution the country that some of the foods that we are consuming could be having these harmful chemicals and harmful substances.
Matiang'i akiuga ministry yake ni ikoretwo ikirutithania wira kwa hakuhi na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na goroboti cia makure itiari muhuhu. No akauga gutire cukari uhitukitio ni kebzuri na ucuke na ugwo muingi ukahoyo ndugakorwo na hahu.
The truth of the matter is that one, we have contaminated sugar in the country. We allowed the importation of sugar. I honestly don't know whether we have a clear apprehension of the mess in which we are in as a result of that particular mistake. Sugar was imported into the country from over 20 or 30 sources, carried in all manner of things, stored in all manner of places, and so on and so forth. And the contamination was as a result of handling and so on.
No na gukire ogwo andu 72 ni maikitio ngono na uthuthuria na urathie na mbere kuria hoerire kamiti ino ndekurekereria manitwo ma andu aya nginyagia tariki 5 mweri turorete riria uthuthuria ugatiriho.
We were briefed. I wasn't alone in that meeting. We were briefed by quite a number.
Ihinda-ini riu Minista Matiang'i ni ugite thirikari ni igacini indo cia muigana wa bilioni 1.2 iria itakinyaniire ikiro.
I would want him to clarify to us, because Chair, it's important for us to have a clean slate as we're starting, that what we are seeing, if indeed, because we have seen also the leader of majority in the Senate saying it clearly, and we don't take it lightly, that the CS is fighting the deputy president on this particular item.
Honorable members, Mr. Chairman, we are dealing with a very complex international criminal investigation that straddles the borders of our country, and at this stage, if you kindly indulge us, it will not be good to disclose more details about the 72 arrests we have made, because the profiling and further detailed investigation is going on by the security sector agencies, and we are collaborating with a huge number of institutions, local and international, in doing this, so that we can gather sufficient information on what we need to do.
Thutha ucio kamiti ino ni nyitire ugeni arugamiri anene a imwe cia kambuni iria igwetetwo biacara-ini ino iria cukari ukuruhaine nao uyukitio. Muikariri giti wa West Sugar Jaswan Tarai akiuga kambuni yake ndiri yanyita itemi magendo-ini, akiuga ni kuri na kambuni ikoretwo ikihuthira ruri rwa West Sugar kumuthukiria ritwa.
I said no, that is a regulation, and this is a letter I have from KEBS, and Mr. Chairman, I'll take this opportunity. For me, my father's name is very important.
Nayo kambuni ya Diamond Wholesalers iria cukari wayo wahithukitio mwena wa Isli na Mombasa ikiuga ndiri yarehe cukari bururi-ini kuma nja ya bururi amaguraga kuma kuri kambuni ya Landmark mwena wa Mombasa Road iria kuruhanitio na cukari wa Cabras.
Umepata habari yako kabisa.
Haya, asanteni sana.
Sawa.
Naweza toka.
Kamiti ino riu igitigo na kibarua gia gwithirania ni amararia ma roboti ya muthia gitanyo thutha wa thikũ 10. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.